Hello, my name is ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and I'm here again with a new question. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started on the question. So the question is, I have a problem. We have been running ads for our online store for months, but have not seen one sale. We have spent thousands on these campaigns and don't see any results. Lots of clicks but no conversions. We are following all the best advice we can get online and on YouTube and keep the campaigns within best practices, and our budget is healthy. We have restructured the campaign a couple of times and still don't see any results. Our ad groups are our ad groups are thematically organized with targeted ads. We make use of site links and promotions. Our site is only a couple months old. Can that only be the reason for having not seen not one sale in all this time after spending all this money? Please don't advertise your service to me. Okay, I understand. So now let's moving on to the question where I feel that you need to look on. First of all, my recommendation is going to be to do a test sale. In case if it's not a single sale, do a test sale to figure out if there is any issue in checkout process. Most of the online stores sometimes knowingly or unknowingly have an issue on their checkout profile. It can be the issue of a credit card payment. Sometimes you cannot make a sale. So because I have seen a zero sale, which is why that is very surprising to me, which is why I believe that this can be a reason. So this aspect needs to go. You need to do a test sale to figure out. Second thing is that is very important is to look around on your competitors. Look around on your competitors. Okay, by competitors here, what I'm going to want to tell you is that look around what the competitors are doing. Uh, what is your offer? For instance, if you are a rooftop cleaning company and you are providing roof cleaning for $100, and your competitor is providing the same service at $10. Okay, that can be a reason. You have an exceptionally high price, what I feel is over there. That can also be reason. Very worst landing page. Okay, even in the worst landing page, I think that you can get a sale with a huge spending, as you said. But that is very very surprising for me that you haven't got a single sale. So my again here is to look out at do a test still to figure out if there is any issue. But in case if that is not the problem, and you have seen the competitors and your product services come fine, and even your landing page is fine, so it means that we are now left with the campaign part, that we have some issues on the campaign part. As a visitor, think wise, open your website as a visitor, open your site and ads as a visitor to determine where we are losing. Okay, once we do it, we can figure out almost everything, that what can be the losing ends, what can be the losing points, we can figure out. And once we figure out those things, we can optimize on those. In case if it's a landing page issue, if all, then if that is not an issue, then you may need to restructure your campaign and do retargeting. Okay, since I told you that look on your competitors, are your competitors running on Google Ads? There can be a specific scenario where no one is advertising on Google Ads. There can be a very very different scenario where if no one is advertising on Google Ads, means that that is not a profitable niche for anyone on Google Ads. But if there are competitors, they are successful, that means you can be successful too. You are doing something wrong. Restructuring. Who has done restructuring? Have you done it? Are you a Google Ads professional or not? In case if you are not professional, then you need to hire someone. Sorry, you told me that do not advertise sale by your service, but in case if you are doing something wrong, it means that you need to get it sorted. You need to have a professional look on where we are doing it wrong. We can sort it out the issue and we can get the campaign up and running. So that can be an issue. It can be a slightest error on your targeting. Let's say you are doing wrong targeting, wrong location, and that can be another scenario, which is why you are not getting a sale. For instance, if your product is for UK and you are selling in USA, why no one will buy? Because you are doing the wrong targeting, because you are not able to ship in USA, because your product is only able to ship in UK. So that can be an also reason. So I think that you are doing something wrong unknowingly. So just have a ask a professional. Even me and my team can help you to do a professional Google Ads audit. In case if you need such services, you are more than welcome to hire us. The details are in the description of this video. So I hope it answers your question. And in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.